Brand new day, and we're back on the landscaping job in Nottingham. Let me tell you what we're going to do today. So yesterday we got the sleepers in and a couple of bays of fence. Today we're going to carry on with the fence and get as close to that corner over there as possible. If we've got time after that, we're going to set in the post for the pergola, which is going here. All the mott and the sand and everything, all the materials really should be coming today. So let's get started on this fence then. So as you can see, Aaron started removing all the debris from here. We'll remove all of that, then start taking the mud away, get a level on the ground, and then get the next posts in.
You're my lesson, I had to learn. Another page I have to turn. I got one more message, always trying to be heard, but you never listen to a word. Heaven knows we came so close, but this ain't real, it's just a dream. Wake me up, I've been fast asleep, letting go of fantasies. Been caught up in who I needed you to be, how foolish of me.
So now we've cleared all the debris, which I'll show you. We're going to carry on getting the bays in, and then we'll see where we get up to today. The rest of our supplies have just turned up. Well, hopefully it's the rest of our supplies. Well, the mott, the sand, the cement, it's just turning up now.
Heaven knows we came so close, but this ain't real, it's just a dream. Wake me up, I've been fast asleep, letting go of fantasies. Been caught up in who I needed you to be, how foolish of me.
Now I've cut that, we're going to use it to burn that. That's a lot of timber there. Oh yeah, burn it in that.
Put my heart away, so I could be free of what it had to say. But I don't need a heart to tell me there is something.
So what Aaron and Zach are doing now is they're getting the posts for the pergola in, post-creating them in, and then we'll put the mott on top of that, whacker it down. We just want to get them in so they're ready for the pergola. Doing a stunning job there, lads. Yeah, I'll do it.
Let me go back to the dark.
So now we've got the sleepers in, we've got the pergola posts in. Now all that's left to do is make sure we get kind of a good level on the mud around, and then we can whack the membrane down, and we can start bringing mott up, and then whacker it down.
So let me go.
It's the end of the day, but me and Aaron feel like starting a fire, don't we, Az?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah. So that's what we're doing.
Fire start.
A little bit of WD-40 goes a long way. It's got many uses.
Like I never change. Don't know what I've been thinking about. It's like some air and I take to bed, and everything is perfect for now.
It'll take a few days, but we'll get rid of that.
Even if I know that's what you do.
End of the day. Review. So we've got a nice fire burning there, so we can get rid of that. Gonna take a wee while, that. We've started to bring the mott up there. We've got one pathway motted up, and then that one. We'll get the rest of the mott on that, and that one tomorrow. Posts are in for the pergola. Fence is nearly done. We've just got to put 3 panels, 3 bays in there tomorrow.